Hello friends. Today we are going to see a simple quick science experiment with pepper and water, which is very easy and simple for children to try. Let's try it now. Place a plate and add some water. Sprinkle some pepper powder on the top of the water like this. Dip the finger on the top surface of water and nothing will happen. Next, take some washing soap liquid at the tip of the finger like this. Dip the finger again in water. Now you can see that the pepper will shift away from surface of finger. What's the science here? The pepper placed on water has high surface tension, which is attracted to the molecule of water. And when we dip finger with liquid soap, the water molecule get broken and get quickly spread away from finger. The pepper joining with water molecules also move away with water when we place the finger. It's a simple surface tension experiment with water and pepper which make children to learn science easily at home. Hope everyone will try the science with children at home. See you next time with another science experiment. Thank you. Have a nice day.